In this video, I'm going to show you some more scrapbook decoration ideas, which will really surprise you. If we just met, my name is Monia and I'm owner of Digidesignresort, and I'm doing this now for 12 long years. Scrapbooking has been for me an amazing journey because I met people from all over the world. And it's not just about memory preserving, but also about that community. And that is why I'm showing you different kind of layouts and helping you to preserve your beautiful memories. For this scrapbooking layout and the entire mini book collection, I'm using the It's a Boy's World scrapbooking kit. But don't worry, you don't have to resize all the elements and papers. You will find a link below this video, and I have already done all that for you, so you can start right away. So before we get started, please subscribe to our channel, click the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the like button. And now let's get started with the scrapbooking. So this layout will be a little bit different. We are going to attach a paper to this paper because we have these rounded edges here. I want them to be seen a little bit, but just a little bit. And the rest of the page will be this blue paper. And then we are going to add our pictures, decorate it, and we have a little flap here we can open and put some journaling behind. So that's the goal, and yeah, let's get started. And I'm going to start by cutting the paper here. You still see a little bit of the rounded edges here, but not too much. So that's why. So I'm adding a fold here, at least if I'm not killing the rest. So, okay, so that's why. And now I can fold it and put it together like this. And I have a little fold here. And I need the same here on this side or here on that side. I guess I'm going to use that side to flip it around. So now it's like a little bag where you can put something in. So now we could add in one of the tags, for example, and just cut it off half here. And then add a little bit to this bag. Yeah, to do some journaling. So, next thing, no, I just put it in here and good. And now we are going to decorate that thing here. Just a little bit. Okay, so when it's too small, I use the glue instead of the tape. easier. So now I want to add a pennant, and actually that's it. I want to do it with a real piece of thread. So, and now you're just going to use some paper pieces, and you can just cut it off here and use them here at the bottom. They don't have to be equal at all. So you see where this is going to be. We are going to add them here. And just use little pieces, just leftovers, whatever you need, whatever you have handy. Okay, that's it. Now we just need to add a bit more glue, and then it should work. So let it dry, and then you can leave it as it is, or maybe you want to add something else. I think I'm going to leave it like that, or maybe let's see if there are more images. No, I think I will leave it as it is. Yeah, so that's it. Maybe we could add something like that or nothing at all. That's totally up to you, of course. As usual, it's just an idea to have a pennant in your book.